Hello and welcome to the How Do I video series for Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2015. My name is Mike Borch-Cardona and I'm a program manager at Microsoft. At the end of this video, you will have learned how to modify existing help topics and add new help topics on the help server to improve your tablet client user experience. To complete designing your Microsoft Dynamics NAV tablet client solution, you have to offer users help. Although the Dynamics NAV tablet client has a simpler interface than both the web client and the Windows client, there can be times where the user needs help understanding the purpose of a page or a workflow. Adding help to Microsoft Dynamics NAV tablet client solutions is no different from adding help to Microsoft Dynamics NAV in general. In fact, help is linked to the Microsoft Dynamics NAV tablet client using the same technology. Help is invoked on the Dynamics NAV tablet client through an action on each page. The help action is always the last action on the action pane. Because the same underlying technology applies to all clients, help can be reused across clients. The only difference is that field help cannot be called directly from the Microsoft Dynamics NAV tablet client. Instead, users will get the page help, and this should therefore be designed to guide users to relevant field topics. These are the steps involved in this video. In step 1, we will check that we have our prerequisites in place. Then in step 2, we will modify an existing help topic on the help server. In step 3, we will also show you how to add a new help topic to support a new page that you created. And finally, we will launch the tablet client to verify our changes. First, let's take a look at the prerequisites. You need to have Microsoft Dynamics NAV web server components and help server installed. The help server is usually installed to the path similar of what you see here. Next, let's try to modify an existing help topic. Let's launch the Dynamics NAV tablet client. Users will access help using the Microsoft Dynamics NAV help action in the action pane. Tapping this action opens a separate window, showing help for the current role center. If we focus on the URL of this help page, notice the name of the help file we are using. We will now locate this file, N9022HTM, on the help server. I'll just copy this file to the desktop, because taking a local copy allows me to make changes without disrupting any others who might be accessing help at that time. Let's modify the file. If we look a few paragraphs down, I'm going to add some text. I'll save the changes, and I'll just overwrite the original file again. When you add help to the tablet client, remember to keep it short and simple. Illustrate work processes and flows. Remember that when you modify help content, you modify help for all of the clients. So make sure that your help is always relevant to the user, no matter which client he or she is using. In step 3, let's take a look at how to add a completely new help topic to support a new page that I created. I've already added an action which links to a new page with ID 5555. So now I need to add a help topic for that page. So let's go back to the help server folder we looked at before. So I'm going to use the file I used earlier as a starting point for our new help file. So I'll just make a copy of that, and I'll rename it to n_5555.htm. This is actually sufficient for the help server to automatically link page 5555 to this help file. Let's make a quick change here to indicate that it is the new file. There we go. And I'll save that and now copy it back to the help server folder. Let's see what the changes look like in the Dynamics NAV tablet client. Let's tap the help action for the role center and see if we can see our modification to the existing help topic. There it is. And now let's go to the new page that I created and just see if the new help topic is also available there. That's my new page, and I will now access help in precisely the same way. And let's just scroll down to the bottom again. And there we go. Now we can also see the change we made to the new help topic. Remember that the new help topic must be a .html file based on the same template as the other topics on the help server and using the classic .css style sheet. It is easiest if you make a copy of the type of topic you want and then edit that copy just like I did. The notation of the file name as described here. It is really important to respect this naming convention, otherwise the lookup will not work. When adding new topics, remember to link to other relevant topics using the style sheet markup. In this video, you have seen how quickly you can modify and add help to the help server. Well-written and precise help increases the end-user satisfaction when using your solution. To read more, please go to MSDN and look for these articles. Thanks for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing you again in another episode of our How Do I video series for Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2015.